Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Cancers. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first. So we have Nine of Earth, Two of Fire, Ace of Fire. So Cancers, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really confident, cheerful about the way your circumstances are going, and you are making a lot of plans for your future, feeling really cheerful because in your circumstances you are seeing the beginning of success, and you are someone dedicated to your work, really responsible. So whatever decisions you make, you stand by those choices, committed to your work. So whatever you do, you are very disciplined, and you have all those talents and skills, whatever you need to see success today. And you are seeing your circumstances unfolding in a beautiful way, Cancers. And even in this relationship, you see yourself in a very good place. You have a very good understanding with this person, and there is mutual love, respect, and caring in this relationship, and you feel really happy. And this person understands you, and you trust each other, and this relationship is moving to the next step. Maybe you're thinking of commitment, or you're thinking of marriage with this person, engagement or marriage, and you feel that this may be the right time to propose, or maybe they are thinking of proposal to you, and you are dreaming. You have a lot of dreams about this love, and you are making huge plans for your future. And whatever you dream, Cancer, all those dreams, all those big dreams of yours are going to come true, and you are seeing the very beginning of those dreams right now in your life. So your love dreams are coming true, Cancer. Your plans for the future with this person you love. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Chariot. So maybe you're making plans for a trip, maybe you're planning a travel with this person somewhere out, maybe out of state, out of country, and you feel that this is the time for you to enjoy, maybe grabbing this opportunity to understand each other even more better by going on this holiday with this person. And or for some of you, you are planning for this holiday, planning for this vacation with this person you love, and you are really confident, and you are fearless. you have this cheerfulness and you're fearless about the way things are going in this relationship because you love this person and you feel that they also love you truly. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. Justice. So in your work circumstances, maybe you are getting the results for whatever you did. Maybe if you made good efforts, you are seeing the results today, but if you did not make good efforts, you are again seeing bad returns today, Cancer. So laws of cause and effect is working today, or you can call it karma is working in your career circumstances, Cancers. So that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, Cancers, that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are holding on to some ideas or maybe some belief you have, and you are not willing to let go of it. And though you are with people who care for you, who love you a lot, you feel really lonely because you are, what to say, holding on to some belief system or something, and you need to connect to it on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you are doing something, maybe practicing some rituals or holding on to something very deep, something very secretively, and you feel really happy to be in that space, to have that alone time, be in that space, because you have a lot of imagination and you are someone who loves that time with yourself. And today you may not like the people who are disturbing it, and you even fear letting people so close to you that they will come to know what you are deep down, what you are really. So you just keep them away, a step away, shielding yourself. But today the energy with this card is maybe, at least for a moment, you should let go of this obsession, or maybe you should not hide yourself so secretly. You must let at least one person, someone who is truly concerned about you, who truly loves you, to let them come closer to you, let them in. That is going to change, at least for a moment. So you must let go of all your obsession, or maybe you are pushing certain people away from you because you are scared that it will affect that delicate balance you have. And your inner world is much richer than your outer world, so you simply enjoy in that space, in that alone time. But today you need to if you want to recreate your world in a better way, you must willingly, consciously allow someone close to you that is going to impact you in a positive way. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, Archangel Raphael. So with this card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel stands for healing, and this angel protects us when we are traveling. So if you are traveling, you can pray to this angel for a safe travel. And also this angel card just means that we are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually. So it just helps us, this angel influences us to take up a healthy lifestyle, what will make us heal physically. At the same way, what is emotional healing? Giving up all those toxic feelings that we have. So this angel also assists us in that, and it gives us insight into what is beneficial for us, what is beneficial for us mentally, what is good for us physically, and what is the right thing for us emotionally and spiritually. And this angel stands for healing power, guys. So you can pray to this angel, or you are on the path to healing. So you are changing your lifestyle, trying to do things in a better way, improving your health, and even in your personal life. Maybe you are hurt about something, or you're feeling hurt. You should give up all that hurt, and you must try to be more positive. Give up all those toxic feelings of hurt, resentment, guilt, whatever you have, and move towards positive feelings. Be aware of your circumstances and the blessings that you have in your life today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.